On July 8, 2026, OpenAI launched GPT-Live 1, replacing advanced voice mode with a full-duplex voice system that can speak and listen at the same time. Traditional voice assistants are turn-based. You speak, wait, and listen. GPT-Live 1 breaks this loop by processing audio continuously, allowing the AI to listen to you, acknowledge you with a quick yeah or got it, and respond without lag. This architecture is built on three key capabilities. First, full-duplex communication. Second, active listening, where the AI makes conversational sounds to show it is following you. And third, background delegation, separating live conversation from complex reasoning. Compared to the old advanced voice mode, GPT-Live 1 is not just faster, it is architecturally different. Instead of a single model doing everything, GPT-Live 1 coordinates a fast streaming model with background reasoning agents. Here is the real magic for developers. When you ask a complex coding or search question, GPT-Live 1 does not pause and freeze. It delegates that task to a background reasoning model, like GPT-5.5, while continuing the verbal exchange with you. This diagram shows the flow. Your voice stream enters the GPT-Live 1 frontend. It handles immediate speech synthesis. If you ask a hard question, it sends a task to the background reasoning model, receives the result, and feeds it back into your ongoing conversation. OpenAI is rolling out two models globally, GPT-Live 1 for paid tiers and GPT-Live 1 Mini for free tiers. Both run on iOS, Android, and web with near zero latency. For AI developers, this is a major shift. Real-time voice is moving from a novelty to a fundamental interface. Although API access is currently in private sign-up, the pattern of separating conversational interface from back-end reasoning will become the standard. How would you use a full-duplex voice model in your own applications? Would you build real-time support agents or integrate it with live developer tools? Leave a comment below with your ideas. GPT-Live 1 represents a significant leap forward. By making turn-based voice interfaces obsolete, OpenAI is setting a new standard for how humans and machines communicate in real time.